Hello to everyone, guys. Today in this video, I will just show you how to hide unnecessary sale order lines. Before I just show you the scenario and we start our practice, let me just show you for this video. I'm using Odoo 16 Community Edition, and for IDE, I'm using Visual Studio Code as usual. Okay, so let's just start and let me just show you in the front end that what I'm talking about. So if we go in sales and let me just create a sale order, and I'm adding a product here. So at the moment in this product, I just choose this product, and quantity is one quantity is here, so that's it. Let me just choose another product here where quantity I would say 0 just by mistake or just for any other reason. I confirm it. So this order is confirmed. Let me print the PDF report, quotation report. So after the report is printed, so as you can see, there are 3 products which I have added. One product is one quantity, second is one quantity, and the third one is a third product with 0 quantity. So sometimes in our reports we don't need order lines with 0 quantity. So because it's just unnecessary space in our reports, and there can be many lines. So this is the scenario. So what we want in our report, sale report, that if the quantity is 0, we don't want to show that line. We only want to show lines where quantity is more than 0. It's 1, it's 10, it's 100, but if it's 0, we don't want to show it. So this is the scenario. So let's do it, how we can do that. For that, we need to go in our Visual Studio. So as you can see, this is my custom module customization. This is the models, reports, views. So at the moment in report, there is nothing. So what we do, we just create a new file, and I say sale report and extension .xml. Let me just copy this, and I go in manifest file, and there we need to add it up. We say report and we paste that. So we have added our new file path, right guys? So let's go back in our report. What we need to do here, so first let me just add the basic syntax, XML syntax. So variant is, I would say 1, yeah, and encoding, which is UTF, yes. And that's it. Okay, after that, Odoo tag, that's it. And then we need to inherit our template. So what I'd say, template ID. And here I just need to give any ID. So I would say report sale order extension view. Okay. Okay. And then we need to pass inherit ID. So which inherit ID we will pass for that? Okay. So first of all, we need to go back in our front end. So this is a sale order. So how we need to find it, and this is a sale order template. So what we need to do, we need to go back in our Visual Studio and we need to go the base add-ons. So I have installed here Odoo add-ons here, and in Odoo add-ons we need to find sale. So here, if I go in sale, and then in sale, in report, and then report, this is the report, IR actions report templates. How to find it? Because this is the one, report sale order document. So this is the template. This is our quotation or sale order report. So that is the report, and we need to inherit this ID. So what we need to do, we need to copy this, and we need to paste it here in our inherit ID. And before this, we need to write sale dot. Why? Because in which module it is present. So you need to come there, and you see the module is sale. So that's what we are inheriting. So sale in sale, go in sale, and then find this inherit ID. Right, guys? Okay. So after that inheritance, what we need to do, we need to do XPath. As you know, that when we need to inherit in any module or in any template, we do XPath. So in here, that is T, and in T, we are finding T for each. I explain it to you that why I have done this. Let me just first. Okay, so let's go back in the base report in which we are inheriting. So first of all, if we go in the report, let me just get that report. So in downloads, this is the report. Let me just show you. Okay, so this is the report which we have inherited. So here, first of all, in this report, if you just look the address, these are some fields, and then this is a table. So we actually want to inherit, we want to change attribute in this table. So how we can do that? If we go in actual report. So first you see that this is partner ID, that is the address. We don't need to do anything here. Then you come up here, order number, no. Then that is the validate date, no. Okay, here. So this is the table, that table which I show you, where description, quantity, unit price. So basically, this table we need to change attribute of one thing, which I will show you. And after that, if we go further in the table, you see T body. So in this T body, all the data is coming from database. So here, as you can see, this is a for loop. So this is a loop which is on the lines to report lines, which is a one-to-many field. And then it's same like when we say in Python that for I in lines to report that field. So that I is basically line here. So we need to change the attribute in here. So we just copy this, and we say not the full, but only this field. So we say that T, we have just targeting that T, and T for each, the loop, and we say that this is the field we are targeting, because we are already using double quote, so that's why we are just quoting using this code here. And then position, and position we are not doing before or after, we are doing attributes, because we want to change the behavior of this for loop. Okay, and then the attribute we want to change is T for each. We want to do the same thing again, but we are saying that just add something, some condition, which I show you how to do that. So we say T for each, the same thing we are changing. And what we need to do here, we say that lines to report, lines to report the same field, and we are filtering it. So we say filtered, Python function filtered, and when we say filtered, so we can just add conditions. So how we can do that? With lambda. So we say lambda x or any variable, and x dot, we say the field. Now here, this field name is product underscore UOM underscore QTY. So we want to filter first this one-to-many field, and we want to say a condition that if product underscore UOM underscore QTY is more than 0, then show the lines. Otherwise, don't show that line. So this logic we are working here, we say x dot product underscore UOM underscore QTY is greater than 0. That's it. So again, let me just show you what we are doing. We are going, as you see, that this for loop is on that field lines to report. So we are again changing this again, but we want to add a condition in that for loop, and we say that change that behavior of lines to report, but add one condition. That condition is that if that quantity is greater than 0, only show those lines. Otherwise, don't show the other lines. So let's restart our service. Let's see that how that will behave. One more thing, because we are changing sale module, inheriting sale module. So in manifest.py, you have to add sale in depends. Otherwise, you can have error. So once you restart it, we need to upgrade our service here. We need to upgrade our custom module. Okay, what is the error? It's say file not found error. File path, file not found error, customer report sale, I think, and manifest file. Oh, so here, if you see that my folder name is reports, so I have given report. So you need to look all these things. So that's it. Sorry for that. I hope we will not get any errors now. But if we will get any, we will resolve it together. So my actual main object is just to talk about those problems which we can face in our commercial, professional life, when we are doing job, when we are just working for some company, and we find these kind of issues which are really handy. So I'm just talking about those problems. I'm not talking about very basic stuff. So our module has been upgraded. We can go in the sale, and let's create a new sale order line. So here, let's add a customer, a product. Product is quantity 1. Okay, that's fine. Another product. That's it. The third product, we say 0 here. So what should happen? This 0 quantity, because it's not greater than 0, it's just 0. So this line should not show this line, the third one, but these first two lines it should show when we will print. So let's print it. Sorry, my computer is behaving a bit slow today. Okay, that's it. So as you can see, guys, this has only printed 2 lines, not the third one, because quantity is, it's not showing 0 quantity. It's showing the valid quantity, which is 1, 1. Okay, let's try one more test. Let's create a new, not invoice, sorry. So we go in sales now. Again, create a new quotation. Let's add a customer and a product. This time we only add one product with the quantity 0. So as our code, when we will print, it should not show any product there, any product line there, because we have added only one product and quantity is 0. So it should not show anything there. Let's print it. Sorry. Yes. As you can see, there is nothing there. So this was our practice, and yeah, successfully we have done it together. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like it, share it, subscribe it. Thank you, and I will come with you guys with another solution. Take care. Till then, tata. Bye bye.